And welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you idea that how to replace these Toyota Corolla's seats. Like in my case, I have very nice sport seats, and now I am planning to replace these seats to my little bit another Corolla, and that's I need to take these seats away. And this job seat replace happens so that firstly I have to take these bolts in here, and I need to measure also this my bolts position always, that I can install these seats in my new car. And let's go to do that measurement. Okay, and here is my measurement tool, and now I measure this distance from this bolt to that bolt in this way. And this is now centimeters scale, and let's go to look this my seat length. Now we can look this my seat bolt to bolt length is 42 centimeters, and there is this another bolt position, and that means that when I measure it is almost 42, and this distance is very accurate. And now when I install this my seats in my new car, then that length must match, and also I have to measure this bolt and then this back bolt, what is in here, this distance, that what is this length also in that, and then this another bolt in here, what we look soon. When we measure this bolt's distance to this back bolt in here, it is now 37 centimeters. And in here we can check that, and this amount is 37 centimeters, this length. And note also that there is cover what I have to remove in this area, and this bolt is like hidden in there. And then there is second bolt in that area in here, what length is also a little bit longer, and I have to measure that also. But this is this idea, and next I need to open these, firstly these back areas bolts, and they are 14 millimeters, and I will do that next. And there we can see this back bolt, and I open that next. 14 millimeter is the size. Okay, there is bolt. It was quite hard to open, but now it's open good. And this next back areas bolt in here. Okay, and bolt is free, excellent. And then we go in front area, open these front bolts, and I need to move this my seat in up position, and there we can see these bolts in here. Good. Bolt opens nicely, and then next one is this far away, this final one. Good, and now bolts are free. Now when all these bolts are free, then I can carefully move this my seat in a little bit this position, and I need to disconnect these electric cables, and there is this airbag cables and so on, and let's go to look at how I do that. Here we can see these cables, and there is now idea that I have to disconnect all of these, and first one is that this part, and when I move this switch, this opens, and then there are these next connectors what are in here also. In same way I compress this area and I pull out this cables, this is a little bit harder, and now these cables are free, and then I only remove that, and now this seat is free. And now when all cables are free, final step is to move the seat in here and carefully take that out in this cabin area in outside in that way. Excellent. And now seat is away. Final part is that we can see that area is empty, and in that way we can replace seats by car, and in this position we can measure even better these bolt areas, because now we can see those holes. Now this hole, and when we measure these things through in that one and also in there and in this area, then we can guarantee that our bolts fits.